Daniel and Laura are having a conversation about banks, savings accounts, and using credit and debit cards. They share their experiences, habits, and opinions about handling money and using banking services.
Hey, Laura, do you think it's important to have a savings account these days?
Absolutely. Having a savings account helps you save for emergencies or future goals. Do you have one?
Yes, I opened mine about 3 years ago. I try to save a little every month.
That's smart. I also save monthly. It helps me stay organized with my money.
Speaking of banks, how many cards do you have, credit or debit?
I have one debit card and 2 credit cards. And you?
Same here. One debit, and I recently got a new credit card. Do you know the difference between debit and credit cards?
Yes, of course. A debit card uses your own money from your account. A credit card lets you borrow money and pay it back later.
Exactly. But you have to be careful with credit cards. How do you usually use your credit cards?
I use them only for important purchases, and I always try to pay the full balance on time.
Me too. If you don't pay on time, they charge you interest or late fees.
Yes, and that can be expensive. Have you ever been charged a late fee?
Once, yes. I forgot to pay 1 month and they charged me a penalty fee. After that, I set a reminder on my phone.
That's a good idea. Do you usually pay with your card or use cash?
I usually pay with my debit card, but sometimes I use credit to get points or discounts.
Me too. I've gotten discounts in stores just for paying with my credit card. It's a nice benefit.
Yes, but we have to use credit responsibly, right?
Definitely. Some people overspend and then can't pay back.
True. By the way, do you like going to the bank to pay your card, or do you prefer paying online?
Oh, I always pay online. I don't like standing in line at the bank.
Same here. Online banking is fast and easy.
Yeah, but sometimes I go to the bank for specific services, like opening an account or asking for loan information.
That makes sense. Do banks call you often to offer more credit cards?
Yes, I get calls from different banks every week. They want me to open more credit cards.
Me too. I always say no unless they offer something really useful, like no annual fee or cashback rewards.
That's smart. There are advantages and disadvantages to using credit cards.
Right. The advantage is convenience and rewards, but the disadvantage is debt if you're not careful.
Exactly. That's why we need to manage our money wisely.
Agreed. Saving, paying on time, and spending wisely, that's the key.
100%. Let's keep using our cards the smart way.